Next is a 2-mark give reason. So the give reason is geographical and reproductive isolation leads to speciation. Before we understand the answer, we need to understand what exactly, or we need to define what exactly is a species. So species is a group of organisms that can reproduce with each other and give birth to a fertile offspring by natural reproduction. Very important for us to mention the term fertile offspring, right? So that's our first point. Species is the group of organisms that can produce fertile individuals through natural reproduction. Okay, then what we say is there are so many different species. Each species grows in a different geographical condition. The geographical condition of all the species is not the same, right? For that matter, within the same species also, some creatures live in different geographical condition, and because of these different geographical condition, the area in which they live, the habitat, their eating habits, all of their behaviors, they are going to be different. So their food, habitat, reproductive ability and time period is different because they live in different geographical condition. Now, what exactly is responsible for the formation of different species? One very important reason is genetic variation, which happens because of mutation. One of the factor is mutation. So genetic variation leads to a lot of different creatures being born. Nature selects the fittest out of them, but that is not the only reason. Reproductive and geographical isolation are also very important in the formation of new species. So along with genetic variation, geographical and reproductive changes are also responsible for the formation of the new species, and hence our last point, fourth point, becomes the concluding statement, which is somewhat like this. Hence, geographical and reproductive isolation leads to speciation. So that's your answer.